Hi, I'm Johnny, and today we're talking about the Totally Wicked Opal. Now, this is a vibrant, compact and simple to use kit which has the versatility to suit various types of vapours. Whether you prefer e-liquids like Red Label or intense flavours like Volts, the Opal will work a treat. Let's take a look at what it has to offer. So it's a pod style vape with adjustable wattage. It's designed for ultimate simplicity with reliable performance. But before we move on to the features, let's start with the design and the striking colour options. The vibrant green, red or blue designs are sure to make a statement, but if you prefer to keep things neutral, opt for the black finish. At just 10 cm tall and weighing in at 65 grams, it's incredibly compact and lightweight, perfect for vaping on the go. The kit has 7 wattage increments from 10 to 25 watts, and this power is adjusted using the well-known 2-button system. The 1500 mAh battery should last most vapors a full day between charges, and USB-C quick charging means it will be back up and running in next to no time. Remaining battery life is indicated by the LED colour beneath the power button. Your current wattage level is displayed below this. Now, all of these nifty features complement the Opal's pod cartridge of choice perfectly. The cartridge is the increasingly popular GTL pod, which also features on the Tornado GTL and on the Arc Impact. It has sliding top fill, which makes for quick and easy top-ups. It's slightly recessed into the body of the Opal, and a magnetic connection keeps it securely in place. The airflow can even be adjusted using the control lever on the body of the device. So as you may have guessed, the atomizer heads are from the GTL range. Now, these use a push-fit connection for clean, easy changes. The 0.8 ohm version is included with the kit, but other resistances, including a 1.2 ohm option, are available as accessories. Now, these GTL atomizer heads work perfectly with Volts e-liquid, so if you want to enjoy the intense flavours of disposables but in a much more sustainable device, then the Opal is the perfect solution. So that's all you need to know about the Totally Wicked Opal, an adjustable, pocket-sized e-cig with handy features to make vaping stress-free.